We start our transplants early in the morning. We get you in, changed, and you get some medication to relax you. We get you shaved up, marked up, and numbed up. Many of our patients choose to use Pronox to lessen the pain of the injections. Many patients will also receive PRP. We start by drawing their blood, spinning it down, keeping the platelets in the plasma, which are taken from the top of the tube and injected back into the scalp. Individual sites are made for every single graft that is to be placed in the front of the scalp. These grafts come from the back of the scalp and are punched out one at a time. We extracted 1,200 grafts in this session, but can extract up to 3,000 grafts in very large sessions. Hairs are examined and counted under the microscope to make sure that they are healthy to be placed back into the scalp. This is again done by hand, one at a time, into the sites that were made previously. As you can see, this process involves a team effort on the part of the surgeon as well as the techs. Our shared goal is to ensure that every graft that goes into the scalp is healthy and has the best chance of survival. Most patients are finished by early afternoon. Thanks for joining us on our journey.